A lot of people, just like me, carry their stress in their shoulders and neck region. This can come from emotional stress, poor posture. I know I sit at a desk sometimes with these rounded shoulders and I'm all slumpy. I text and I use my phone a lot and find myself with my head dropped and again, rounded shoulders. Sometimes when I work out, I get soreness in my neck and my shoulders. Sometimes I even wake up and my shoulder kind of neck region is already angry and achy just from the way I slept. There's an irritating, nagging, deep kind of ache that just makes you feel like you want to grab your shoulder and move your neck around until the pain is much better. Well, I have a great, simple, easy DIY treatment for that. For this treatment, because the muscles are often super tight and filled with knots in this region, we want to choose a cup that can really lift and stretch and pull these muscles to get rid of that tightness. So my go-to cup for this treatment will be the Edge cup. It looks like a little mushroom. It's easy to put on and take off by yourself, and it comes in 4 different sizes, which is perfect for this area because we want to cup not only the shoulder area, but up until the neck as well, because the muscle that is angry is a huge muscle that runs from the base of the skull, down the spine to about the mid-back and out the shoulder. It's massive, so we want to make sure that we are addressing it at all its different points. To start, I'm gonna put lotion or cream right over that same area where we have that nagging pain that we just wanna grab and squeeze and hold on to. After you put the cream on, you are gonna take the largest Edge cup, maybe a size 3, maybe not a 4, but a size 3, and put it over the big part of the shoulder. To put the cups on, I like to use a simple pinch grip method. So I'm going to pinch the sides of the cup. Then once the cup lightly touches the skin, I will slowly release my hand while still guiding the cup to make sure it doesn't snap open or pop open and pull my skin. Next, we are going to take the smaller 3 cups and place them almost like stepping stones on the outside part of the neck going up toward the head. The smaller cups are going to go higher up because there's less space and width as we get higher on the neck. The neck is skinnier than the shoulder region. For a really strong pull, you want to squeeze the cups a good amount before putting them on. The stronger you squeeze, the more suction you will have. If you don't want a lot of pulling, just more of a gentle stretch, squeeze the cups less before you put them on. After the cups are on, you're going to take the arm on that same side where you put the cups and put the arm behind your back. It is super important not to hike your shoulder up toward your ear. Try to keep your shoulder nice and relaxed. Then you're going to take your nose in the direction of your opposite armpit. Only take it in that direction. Don't really try to get your nose into your armpit. With your opposite hand, you can gently pull on the top of your head to get a little more stretch. Next, while keeping the arm behind the back, you are now going to bring your opposite ear toward the opposite shoulder. This is going to stretch the other areas of that same muscle that cause pain. Again, you can take your hand and put it on the top of your head and gently pull the head over toward the shoulder for a little bit more stretch.